Hi everyone, Ron here, Traders Academy, and I wanted to shoot a special video for this mini course, which is on the self-adjusting iron butterfly. Now this is a trade we developed here at Traders Academy. It can be traded in any market, requires no technical analysis, and only about 2 to 3 minutes a night after the market closes for daily maintenance. Now we're going to trade this live in our account, and these trades, it's hard to say how long they take to complete, anywhere from a week to 14 days. So we're going to trade this on a daily basis. We're going to do a new video each day as we come in and check the trade and do any maintenance we have to do. And the point that I want to stress is that even though these iterations, each day's video, may seem repetitive, it's important that you watch each of those so that you can understand what we do on a daily basis to keep this trade working properly. And I think once you watch this thing and you see how it performs from beginning to end, you will see that I think you'll be surprised at the kind of returns you can get on a weekly basis with this fun little trade. So I just want to say, keep watching, watch each video as they come out, watch it to the end, and I think very possibly you will fall in love with this trade as we have. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks.
Welcome to day 3 of our self-adjusting iron butterfly mini course, and we have logged into our trading platform. And if you notice, we have no working orders, so all of our butterflies have filled. And currently we stand at a call vertical at 32.50 and 32.55. We have 4 contracts. And on our put side, we have 32.25 and 32.20, and we have 3 contracts. So let's go to over to our option chain. And find our option week expiration that has the positions. Scroll down to at the money, which is where they're all residing. And as you see today, the market is SPX is down a little over 14 points, so it's testing our put side. So the first thing we'll do here is put in an order to push those down. So we'll buy unbalanced butterfly. And as I said, in our put side, we have 3 contracts. So the first number will be 3. Bottom number will be 4, because we're pushing it from 3 contracts to 4. And we're pushing the vertical from 32.25, 32.20 to 32.20, 32.15. And on that one, we want to put in minus $1. Make sure it says credit. Good till cancel. And let's send that off. And now let's do the same for the call side, which of course we have 4 contracts. So we're going to right click on the long leg, buy unbalanced butterfly. And like I said, we have 4. We are going to go to 5. So we currently have 32.50, 32.55, and we're pushing it to 32.55, 32.60, and adding a contract. Well, let's make this minus $1. Good till cancel. And again, the reason we put $1 is because this will not fill until it gets to a situation to where you can get a dollar credit, which means for that to happen, the market would have to go up and be testing the call side. And once it gets to that point, and then the value increases and we get our dollar. So that's the self-adjusting part. If the market doesn't go near that strike area, then nothing happens. It doesn't need to be filled. So yeah, that's again part of the self-adjusting, or the self part of the self-adjusting. So that's all set. Let's send this off. So now we have both positions in place. Let's go to the monitor and check. And as you see, we have our call butterfly. We're asking for a dollar credit. It's only giving 7.5 cents. And right now on our put side, we're asking for $1, and it's only at 15 cents. So basically what that tells me is that the market is starting to back off of, at least starting to rise a bit and back off of our put position. If it picks up steam and starts picking up downward pressure, downward steam, then it will get closer and into this position, and then that will gain in value, and that will fill for the dollar. So anyway, so that's where we're going to leave it with these two butterflies. That's all we have to do today. It's basically a maintenance day. And that's it. Thank you, and we'll see you tomorrow.